Nobody is coming to save you, right? Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about how literally you are responsible for your life and nobody's going to come and save you. Nobody's going to change your life for you. Only you can. Now, if you're watching this video, maybe you most likely you're working a 9-to-5 job, right? And I used to work a 9-to-5 job myself. I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK. I was working several jobs. I was working in Argos, I was working in World Duty Free, and I was working in Sky, right? And it got to a point where I realized I cannot keep working my 9-to-5 job because I will not earn enough money and I will have no freedom, right? And I made one of the biggest decisions of my life, which was to quit my 9-to-5 job, pack my bags and move to Dubai. And then this is where I am currently, as you can see from the backdrop. I've been here for the last 2 years and life has completely changed. I now run a 6-figure online coaching business that's completely changed my life and allowed me to have freedom, right? And the reason I'm making this video is because I want to let you guys know that nobody is coming to save you. And maybe when I was younger, maybe when I was working a 9-to-5 job, I thought something randomly is going to happen. Something randomly is going to change. Maybe I might win the lottery. Maybe I'm just going to get money from random places, right? Or I thought life randomly just figure itself out. Guys, nobody's coming to save you. And this is a harsh reality I didn't have back in the day, right? Because I thought maybe something's going to happen. Maybe something's going to change. Maybe life is just going to, randomly get easier. But what I realized is as life got on, I was doing the same thing. I was working the same jobs. And in fact, I think life got more miserable, right? So I realized at that point, nobody's coming to save me. Nobody's going to change my life for me. Nobody wakes up and says, you know what, I want Alim to make more money, or I want him to do this, X, Y, and Z. So I said, you know what, I am going to take that risk myself. I am going to change my life. I am going to take action required to be in the position where I want to be, right? And at the time, the position was to live in Dubai. At the time, the position was to make money online. And that's what I'm doing right now. Right? I literally single-handedly changed my life by taking action and by doing the difficult thing, right? A lot of you guys don't do that. A lot of you guys don't take the difficult option. A lot of you guys don't take the difficult route, right? Because you're like, oh, I'm so comfortable in my job, I'm happy with this, or you're scared to take risks, which a lot of you guys are. Guys, what's the worst that can happen? Let's truly understand your situation. What's the worst that can happen by taking some risk? Because if you take that risk, you're one step away from potentially changing your life. Worst case scenario, you go back to what you're doing currently. But if you don't take that risk, 100% you're gonna have the same reality. So don't you wanna attempt something where you can actually try? In fact, I would argue there is no risk, because worst case scenario, you go back to your 9-to-5 job, This is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. I understood this, right? When I quit my job, packed my bags and moved to Dubai, I realized worst case scenario, I go back to the UK. Worst case scenario, I go back to work a 9-to-5 job, right? It's not that deep. It's not really that deep. And on top of that, I hired a mentor. So any money that I did have, I spent it on a mentor who basically helped me get this business started, who helped me start this coaching business, who helped me position it, essentially changed my life, right? And even till now, I thank him. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be in the position where I am today, right? Now, guys, if you are interested, before I continue the video, in starting your own online business that will give you the level of freedom that I currently have, make you well over 6 figures a year, and completely change your life, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, I want you guys to understand, nobody is gonna come to save you. Not your parents, not your wife, not anyone around you is going to save you. No one wakes up thinking, I'm gonna help you today, or I wanna help him today. No one thinks, I wanna make sure that he makes money. No one thinks like that. The truth of the matter is, the world is selfish, okay? And when you understand that, you think to yourself, okay, cool. I am the only one responsible for my life. I am the only one who is capable of changing my life. A lot of you guys might blame other people. I'm not where I want to be because of this person, or I'm not doing what I want because of this person. Guys, you are in control of your life. Do not blame someone else. Do not blame external things, right? If you are in a position right now in your life where you're not happy, or you're not in the position you want to be, you have the ability to change that. And all you've got to do, genuinely speaking, all you've got to do is take action, take risk, and be in a position where you say to yourself, you know what, it's either sink or swim. I'm going to try, I'm going to make sure it happens, and when I do that, it will happen. When you have that mindset, which I had, by the way, when I moved to Dubai, in fact, you guys can probably watch some of my old videos of me talking about when I first moved to Dubai, how I know I'm going to make it happen. I know it's going to be fine. I know everything's going to work out. I had that mindset and that changed my life completely. So when you guys, are in your position where you're working a 9-to-5 job, you're unhappy, you can change literally your whole life by taking one decision, okay? Now, that one decision could be maybe moving abroad. That one decision could be maybe starting that online business. Or that one decision could be, you know what? Let me invest in myself. Let me find a mentor that is doing what it is that I want to do. And I will be able to do that and then make money. And this is one of the things I would recommend you guys do, because if you're going to start an online business from scratch with no help, well, you either pay with time or money, right? What do I mean by that? So you either pay by time, which means it will take you a couple of years, 3 years for it to actually work. So you learn all the mistakes throughout the process, or you cut out those 2-3 years that you're going to waste, hire a mentor, learn everything that you need to learn from them, and you can implement it and start making 10K a month within 3 months, right? That's what I have in my program. I have a program where I work with you on a one-to-one basis, scale you to 10K a month. Now, just again, a quick one. If you do need any help, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, this is why I say to you guys, you need to learn from someone doing what it is that you want to do. Because if you want to be in the position of, let's say, your boss, or if you want to be in the position of, let's say, someone like me, who's obviously living in Dubai, making money online, have the freedom, then you need to learn from them. The problem is most broke people are arrogant, right? Oh, I don't need to learn from anyone. I know everything. I know everything. Listen, if you know everything, you'd be in a better position in your life right now. And the problem is most broke people have this attitude to life. They think they know everything. And this is why they remain broke. Even some of the top multi-millionaires, even billionaires, right? They accept that they don't know everything. In fact, they spend more money to learn from other people. There are multi-millionaires that spend multi-millions on investment in themselves, on mentorship, on learning new things, right? The matter of the reality is, guys, you do need money to make money, okay? It is the truth, it is what it is. You do need money to make money, but not in the way you think, okay? Yes, if you have more capital, you can invest in more things, you can make more money. You can invest in many things like Bitcoin or property, all of those kind of things. Yes, those things will make you money, but guys, investing in yourself will make you much more money than investing in any property will, or investing in any crypto will, right? Investing in yourself can make you so much more money. It's more like a 10 times ROI or even more than that. Because when you learn the skills required, you can make even more money. And it's literally as simple as learning the skill, implementing it, and making money. Guys, it's the only reason I've got so far in my life, because I invested in myself. It's also the reason why a lot of my clients have got so far in life, right? Because they've learned from me. You have to invest in yourself. Without investing in yourself, you're not going to be in a position where you can change your life. And this is why I say to you guys, nobody is going to come and save you. Nobody is going to do these things for free. And this is my point, guys. Nobody is going to come to save you unless you decide to save yourself. And the only way you can save yourself is by taking action and by learning from the people required to get to where you want to be. Because no one's going to hand it out to you. There are no handouts in life, right? No one's going to say, hey, bro, this is how you do it and this is how you can make money. It doesn't work like that. You have to invest in yourself. You have to learn the hard way and you have to take action. Without that, you're still going to be working a 9-to-5 job and nothing's going to change. And if you guys do want any help, as I've already said to you, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how you can start the one skill consulting business model that completely changed my life and also changed a lot of my clients' lives as well. Now, if you guys do want more detail on this business model, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.